In this video, I'm going to show you an awesome indicator that helps us profit from mitigating order blocks. To add this indicator to your chart, open TradingView, set your time frame to 15 minutes on GBP JPY, and you're good to go. But don't worry, you're not limited to this pair. You can actually use this indicator on any asset in any time frame. Next, click on Indicators, type in Breaker Blocks, and select the one by LuxAlgo. Big shout out to them. The Breaker Blocks indicator from LuxAlgo is designed to give traders a structured approach to trading using breaker blocks. Now, this raises an important question. What exactly is a breaker block? According to the creator of this indicator, breaker blocks form when an order block is mitigated by price action. Let's break that down with an example. Here's a bullish breaker block. How did it form? First, price created a bearish order block inside this yellow rectangle. After that, price moved downward, forming a lower low. Later, price climbed back up and broke above the order block, signaling a market structure shift or MSS. Once this higher high was formed, the order block was mitigated or invalidated, turning it into a bullish breaker block, labeled as BB+. To take long positions with a bullish breaker block, just wait for price to retest the level, then enter your trade. The same concept applies to bearish breaker blocks, just in the opposite direction. For example, here's a bearish breaker block. Price initially created a bullish order block inside this yellow rectangle, causing a move up and forming a higher high. Later, price dropped back down below the order block, forming a lower low. Again, a market structure shift or MSS. Once that lower low was set, the order block was considered mitigated, turning it into a bearish breaker block labeled as BB-. To take short positions using a bearish breaker block, you wait for price to retest the level and then enter your trade. And that's exactly how we'll be using this indicator to trade. Now let's break down what this indicator includes. The blue zones here are bullish breaker blocks, while the red zones are bearish breaker blocks. We also have a discount PD arrays as these levels, which we'll use to set take profit targets. These wide horizontal lines represent lower lows and higher highs. Whenever a breaker block forms, you'll see a red downward arrow for bearish blocks and a green upward arrow for bullish ones. Let's tweak the settings. Open the indicator setting, go to the Inputs tab, and check this box to use 2 candles instead of 1. Also enable a TP so we can actually use it for take profit placements. Click OK, and now let's add an EMA for trend confirmation. Go to the Indicator Search tab, type EMA, and select Moving Average Exponential. Double-click on it, set the length to 200, brighten it up a bit, and click OK. Now let's go over the entry conditions for this strategy. But before we do that, let me introduce you to my trading family at Bybit. And for doing that, I'm going to hand you over to my friend, Michael.
Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success.
Now back to our strategy. To take a long position, here's what we need. First, wait for a bullish breaker block to form. Once we have it, the second step is to wait for price to retest the breaker block. Right here, we have a retest. The final step is confirming that price is in an uptrend. To do that, make sure it's trading above the 200 period EMA. All our conditions are met on this candle, so we enter a long position, place the long position tool in the upper half of the breaker block and wait for the price to come down and trigger our entry. Stop loss goes at the lower low, which is here, and take profit can be set at any of these 3 TP levels. I'm going with the middle one. It has a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 3. We wait for the price to come back down, and luckily our entry is triggered. Now let's see if this trade works out. And yes, it was profitable. Now, your take profit placement is totally up to you. There's no one-size-fits-all rule. You can even use these red levels, or let's say premium PDRAs, as targets. For example, in this trade, instead of using the standard TP levels, we could set take profit at the upper red level. That would have increased our risk-reward ratio to 1 to 3.6. All our conditions lined up here. Price was above the 200 EMA and we had a bullish breaker block, and price retested it. If we had placed a buy limit order in the upper half of the breaker block, our trade would have been activated. As you can see, this setup was profitable too. That's the strategy in a nutshell. To take short positions, you just do the opposite for what we did for long positions.
Looking to step into the world of trading? Look no further. Introducing FP Markets, your ultimate trading destination. With a stellar reputation since 2005, FP Markets stands as a beacon of trust in the financial world. Regulated and reliable, we're your gateway to success in CFD and Forex trading. Imagine accessing a comprehensive suite of trading products all from one single account. With FP Markets, it's not just a dream, it's your reality. FP Markets has transformed my trading experience. I can diversify my portfolio effortlessly. Their platform is intuitive and user-friendly, making trading a breeze. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your trading game. Click the link above or in the description below to sign up, join the FP Markets community, and start your journey to financial success today. FP Markets, where trading dreams become reality.
To sum it up, the breaker block indicator by Lux Algo is a great tool for spotting market shifts. Waiting for price to retest the breaker block after a breakout confirms the entry, while the 200 EMA helps validate the trend for more accurate trades. If you have any questions about this strategy or indicators we used, drop them in the comments below. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and consider subscribing so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching and see you next time.